Welcome back coders, this is Suraj Kelhe. The names of the Go element function, variables, constant, types, statement labels and packages start with a very simple rule. It begins with a letter or anything Unicode deems as a letter. You can also start a name with an underscore. You can add additional letters, digits and underscores. Second rule is that case while naming matters. Check this if sort different elements, because their case are different. Third, in Golang there are 25 keywords and you can only use these keywords with their own syntax. There are also pre-declared names. These pre-declared name you can rename them because they are not reserved, but beware that it might confuse reader. There are about 3 dozen pre-declared names. In constant there are true, false, iota, nil. In types there are these types. In function there are these pre-declared names. It's local entity and one is package level entity. Anything which is inside function is local entity and outside function at the package level is package level entity. You can export that entity, means outside packages other programs can access element like function. For that, one simple rule is that it should begin with a capital letter. You must have used fm package a lot. Okay, here println is one of the elements in this fmt package, means function, and it starts with a capital letter. That's why we can access it. What should be the length of the variable? There is no limit, but there is an convention that you should use short names for local entity with small scope, just like in for loop. For counter, just name a single letter variable, and long meaningful names for entities with large scope. What should be the style of naming? It should be camel case. So what is camel's case? You combine two words and the interior word is a capital letter. You can also name it with underscore, but camel's case is preferred in Go programming. Name like this rather than like this. Also remember one more thing, that letters of acronyms must be in same case. So this is the right way, this is the wrong way. So here this is acronym, so you should write the letters of acronyms in same case. I hope in this video that you have learned something new. To watch more, subscribe for our channel.